Example 8. Show that 1.2727 etc., that means 1.27 bar, can be expressed in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. So, what is given as x? X is equal to 1.2727 etc. Mark this as equation 1. Two digits are repeating, so we should multiply by 100. So, 100x is equal to 1.2727 etc. into 100. That is 100x is equal to 127.2727 etc. Equation 2. When you subtract this, that means 100x minus x is equal to 127.2727 etc. minus 1.2727 etc. Here 127.2727 etc. minus 1.2727 etc. That is equal to, all these become 0, 6 to 1. So, it is 99x is equal to 126. So, x is equal to 126 divided by 99. This is the rational form of this, of 1.2727 etc. Next question, example 9. Show that 0.235 etc., that means 0.235 bar can be expressed in the form P by Q. Here also we have to take x as 0.23535 etc. Mark this as equation 1. Then here two digits are repeating, so we should multiply by 100. It is, so 100x is equal to 0.23535 etc. into 100. So, what we can write is 100x is equal to, when you multiply, it will be 23.535 etc. Mark this as equation 2. Again 2 minus 1. So, LHS is 99x is equal to 23.535 etc. minus 0.23535 etc. 23.535 etc. minus 0.235 etc. So, this becomes 0, 0, 0, here it is 3, 23.3. So, you can write this as 99x is equal to 23.3. So, x is equal to 23.3 divided by 99. You can change the decimal by multiplying into 10 into 10. That is equal to 233 divided by 990. This is the rational form. Next is, as a note, the decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating, non-recurring. The decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating, non-recurring. A number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring, then we can say it is an irrational number. Then find an irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. Already we got 1 by 7 as 0.142857 bar. So 2 by 7, what you can do is multiply this by 2. So you will get it as 0.285714 bar. What we need is find an irrational number between these two. An irrational number between these two means a number that is non-terminating, non-recurring, and it should be between these two. So, greater than this number but less than this number. So, it starts with 0.14 and here starts with 0.28. It is better to start with either 0.15 or 0.16 like up to 0.27. So, you can write any number 0.2658437120 like this. A number, it is non-terminating and non-recurring. You can write the numbers like this. Any number you can write which you want. So, it should be non-terminating, non-recurring and lies between these two. Only that is a condition. So, better to start with take a number which is greater than 0.14 and less than 0.28. So, we can take it as 0.2658432120 etc. Then the next question is find three different irrational numbers between the rational numbers 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. 5 by 7, the decimal form is 0.714285 bar and 9 by 11 is 0.81 bar, which you can find using the long division method. And we need three different rational numbers between these two numbers, irrational numbers. So, irrational numbers means it should be non-terminating, non-recurring and lies between these two. Here 0.71, 0.81. So, better to start 0.72653071 etc. And another number 0.80432108 etc. So, less than 0.81. Then write one more, it is 0.75814322 etc. So, you can write any number of numbers like this. Then next is write three numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring. Decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-recurring means it should be an irrational number. So, you can write the examples of that root 2, root 3, pi etc. you can write. Next is first question from exercise 1.3. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. Write these in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion it is. That means we have to specify whether it is terminating, non-terminating, recurring or non-terminating, non-recurring. So, 36 by 100, this is easy, we can write it as 0.36. That is clearly terminating decimal. Here 2 by 11, you have to find 0, 20, 1 time, 11, 9. So, 9, 90, we get 8, 88. So, remaining 2, 20. So, it is 1, 11, again 9, 90 etc. That means this is repeating 0.18 bar. So, what kind of decimal expansion this is? This is non-terminating recurring decimal. So, non-terminating recurring decimal. Next question is 329 divided by 400. So, what you have to do is 329 divided by 400. What we should do is 329 by 4. So, So it is 82.25 divided by 100. So you can write this as 0.8225. So it is clearly terminating decimal. Okay, then homework exercise 1.3. First question, second, third, fourth, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9.